Welcome back to US Car Review. This vehicle represents the ultimate combination of futuristic automotive engineering, extreme off-road capability, and luxury-inspired armored aesthetics, creating an awe-inspiring presence that immediately commands attention in any environment, whether navigating urban streets, traversing remote deserts, climbing rugged mountains, moving through dense forests, or crossing icy tundras. Blending raw power with advanced technology to produce a machine that functions as both a mobile fortress and a statement of engineering mastery, with a body that conveys strength, durability, and sophistication through sharply defined edges, muscular contours, flat planes, sculpted ridges, geometric surfaces, and reinforced structural panels, giving the impression of invulnerability while maintaining a sense of elegance and refined craftsmanship, with a front fascia dominated by an imposing armored grille finished in a dark mesh pattern that allows airflow to essential mechanical components while protecting them from impacts, debris, and extreme environmental hazards, flanked by narrow, sharply contoured LED headlights engineered to provide intense illumination with long-range coverage, ensuring visibility and control in conditions such as total darkness, fog, sandstorms, heavy rain, or snow, while simultaneously projecting vigilance, dominance, and authority, with the heavily reinforced bumper incorporating industrial-grade skid plates, robust recovery hooks, integrated auxiliary lighting modules, and modular protective elements positioned to ensure readiness for rescue operations, tactical missions, long-distance expeditions, and emergency response, while the hood rises with pronounced prominence, sculpted with aerodynamic channels, cooling ducts, and heat dissipation ridges that optimize airflow, maintain engine temperature, and communicate the immense mechanical power contained beneath, and the windshield is steeply angled, wide, and thick, providing ballistic-grade protection, enhanced aerodynamics, glare reduction, and maximum outward visibility, as the roofline extends tall and flat to provide maximum headroom, cargo space, and modular support for expedition equipment, reinforced by heavy-duty roof rails and an integrated platform capable of accommodating storage modules, auxiliary fuel tanks, communication arrays, satellite systems, rooftop tents, solar panels, high-intensity light bars, surveillance equipment, and other specialized gear, all mounted with precision to balance functionality and aesthetics, while the side profile showcases a long, commanding silhouette supported by 6 oversized off-road wheels arranged in a 6x6 configuration, dramatically improving traction, stability, weight distribution, load-bearing capacity, and multi-surface adaptability, with each wheel wrapped in aggressive, deep-tread all-terrain tires engineered for sand, mud, snow, gravel, rocky surfaces, and irregular terrain, mounted on reinforced alloy rims that combine strength with industrial elegance, while extended flared and armored wheel arches protect the body from debris, collisions, and environmental hazards, visually reinforcing the vehicle's muscular stance, and the side body panels are angular, flat, and purposeful, resembling military-grade armor plating, interrupted only by ventilation ports, service access panels, and subtle graphic accents that enhance the technical aesthetic without compromising structural integrity, while the doors are thick, reinforced, and heavy, incorporating ballistic materials, internal safety structures, noise insulation, and precision sealing, with flush-mounted handles, narrow armored glass, and engineered hinges providing accessibility while maximizing protection, tactical readiness, and aesthetic coherence, while the rear section continues the armored design philosophy with a squared, rigid layout, maximizing cargo capacity, internal volume, and functional versatility, featuring reinforced tail panels, integrated high-intensity tail lighting clusters, and modular mounting points for spare wheels, recovery equipment, towing systems, and expedition gear, while the underbody is fortified with full-length skid protection, reinforced cross members, durable suspension arms, and protective coverings for drivetrain, fuel system, exhaust, and electronics, ensuring stability, safety, and operational effectiveness even in the harshest terrain, while the engine, though concealed, is imagined as a high-displacement, high-torque power unit, likely a twin-turbo diesel V8, V10, or advanced hybrid-assisted system, designed to deliver immense pulling power, rapid acceleration, and sustained performance under extreme conditions and prolonged operation, supported by advanced cooling systems, reinforced drivetrain components, high-capacity fuel injection, turbocharging, intercoolers, electronic control units, fortified wiring harnesses, and multi-mode transmissions allowing seamless adaptation between smooth road driving, technical low-speed off-road crawling, high-speed desert traversal, heavy towing, and tactical maneuvers, while the drivetrain includes electronically controlled differentials, advanced traction management, torque vectoring, and power distribution algorithms to optimize stability, control, and forward momentum across all 6 wheels, and the suspension is engineered for both comfort and durability, employing independent or semi-independent multi-axle setups with adaptive dampers, variable rate reinforced springs, hydraulic bump stops, and advanced shock absorption to handle high-frequency vibrations, lateral forces, vertical displacement, uneven terrain, and heavy payloads while maintaining ride stability, traction, and occupant comfort, and the braking system is equally advanced, featuring oversized ventilated discs, multi-piston calipers, reinforced lines, electronic stability control, anti-lock braking, thermal management, and integrated hill descent technology to ensure precise, reliable stopping power despite the vehicle's mass, center of gravity, and operational load, while the interior is a masterful combination of rugged utility and modern luxury, offering reinforced ergonomic seating, premium tactile materials resistant to wear and environmental stress, fully digital control interfaces with customizable displays, heads-up displays, advanced GPS navigation with offline mapping, satellite communication systems, adaptive climate control with multi-zone temperature regulation, sound insulation, tactical monitoring systems, hazard detection, driver assistance modules, occupant safety monitoring, multifunction storage, and modular layouts designed for operational efficiency, comfort, and long-duration travel, while every exterior component, from armored side mirrors and integrated cameras to high-intensity lighting modules, thermal sensors, ultrasonic detectors, radar units, and GPS antennae, is functional, enhancing navigation, safety, connectivity, situational awareness, and operational effectiveness, while simultaneously reinforcing the cohesive, intimidating visual identity, blending military-inspired ruggedness with contemporary luxury SUV aesthetics to create a vehicle that is simultaneously futuristic, brutal, refined, aggressive, authoritative, intelligent, and reliable, engineered not for ordinary commuting but for those demanding absolute capability, endurance, dominance, and tactical presence, transcending traditional transportation to become a mobile fortress and technological marvel. Capable of conquering landscapes, protecting occupants, sustaining operations, withstanding extreme weather, and projecting authority wherever it traverses, demonstrating that every line, surface, cavity, reinforcement, fastener, and component fulfills a functional role while contributing to a bold, uncompromising, unforgettable, and awe-inspiring visual identity. Beyond its formidable exterior, this vehicle integrates advanced technological systems, state-of-the-art materials, and precision engineering to achieve unmatched performance, adaptability, and resilience in the most extreme conditions imaginable, featuring a powertrain specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of treacherous terrains, heavy payloads, and high-speed maneuvering, combining a high-torque internal combustion engine with hybrid assistance options, advanced turbocharging, and multi-mode transmissions capable of seamless transitions between smooth highways, rugged off-road paths, high-speed desert environments, and tactical operations, while electronically controlled differentials, precision torque vectoring, and advanced traction management systems optimize power distribution, enhance stability, and provide ultimate control across all 6 massive wheels, enabling superior handling, grip, and responsiveness on surfaces ranging from deep sand and sticky mud to jagged rocks, frozen snow, and slippery ice, supported by a highly engineered suspension system that balances comfort and durability, employing independent or semi-independent multi-axle setups, adaptive dampers, variable rate reinforced springs, hydraulic bump stops, and advanced shock-absorbing technology designed to mitigate impacts, vibrations, and lateral forces while maintaining unparalleled ride stability and passenger comfort over long distances and challenging conditions, complemented by a state-of-the-art braking system equipped with oversized ventilated discs, multi-piston calipers, reinforced brake lines, electronic stability control, anti-lock braking, and precision thermal management to ensure safe and reliable stopping power under extreme loads, high speeds, and rugged terrain, while the fully armored and reinforced underbody, including skid plates, cross members, suspension guards, and protective covers for drivetrain, fuel system, exhaust, and electronic components, preserves the integrity and functionality of critical systems even under high-impact traversal, and the tires, mounted on reinforced alloy rims, feature deep tread patterns and high-durability compounds engineered to grip any surface securely, with extended, flared wheel arches offering protection against debris, impacts, and environmental hazards, while inside, the cabin seamlessly merges tactical utility with luxurious comfort, offering reinforced seating with full ergonomic support, premium materials resistant to wear and environmental stress, fully digital control interfaces with customizable displays, integrated heads-up displays, advanced GPS navigation with offline capabilities, satellite communication, adaptive climate control with multi-zone temperature regulation, superior sound insulation, and sophisticated tactical monitoring systems, providing the driver and passengers with both comfort and complete situational awareness in even the harshest environments, while modular storage compartments and specialized equipment holders support mission-critical gear, long-duration expeditions, and emergency response operations, ensuring occupants can travel safely, efficiently, and fully prepared, with integrated cameras, high-intensity lighting, and advanced sensor arrays enhancing visibility, operational capability, and safety, while reinforcing the vehicle's identity as a mobile command and exploration hub, where every component, from structural reinforcements to functional accessories, is engineered for durability, efficiency, and aesthetic impact, blending futuristic design with military-grade inspiration to produce a vehicle that is simultaneously imposing, technologically superior, versatile, and capable of dominating every environment and operational scenario, embodying strength, endurance, innovation, and uncompromising engineering at every level, transforming it into not just a means of transportation but a mobile fortress, expedition command center, and ultimate symbol of preparedness, resilience, and tactical supremacy. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.